Well, hello again. We're back for another short video to give an update on our BlackHawk 3 drone. We're going to launch from our backyard, and we'll go over the details so you can make an educated decision if this drone is for you. Alrighty then, let's do some flying. The first thing I'll tell you, once you understand how to use the app, Takeoff is very easy, and the drone controls are easy to use and very responsive. We're also very pleased with the photo and video quality. Now, I'm not a professional by any means, but check out those colors. I do notice the colors are more vivid when I angle the camera down. As I raise the angle, the colors fade a bit, likely from the sunlight. It's possible there are drones out there that handle that better. It's even possible I just don't have all the camera settings where they need to be. However, this is a great picture for me, and the automatic settings work well. Now, it's important to note, I'm not using the obstacle avoidance settings. For those to work correctly, that part of the drone needs to be calibrated, and, well, I haven't been brave enough to try that yet. Therefore, I'm keeping the drone above 100 feet, well over the treetops. I'm finding as leaves fall off the trees, I can make out lots of details in the woods. But be careful. Without the avoidance detection on, you wouldn't want to hit a tree. As we are flying to the other end of the farm, let's talk about battery life. I have not ran a battery out yet. Most of my flights are around 30 minutes long, and depending on how much wind there is, I have between 20 to 40% left by the end of the flight. I purchased 3 batteries, so I always have a fully charged battery to use. I'm confident I could get at least 40 minutes of flight time. However, I'm not going to push my luck. Want a new use for your drone? Have you ever tried counting round bales while they are still in the field? Well, how much easier is it to count them now? Are you wondering how loud these are? Well, I have yet to see any wildlife while I'm flying. And if you fly too close to cows, well, let's just say you'll spend the day chasing them. Even at 200 feet, you can hear this thing coming. Let's take a look at our nature trails. Oh, and by the way, this is where we installed the LTE nature camera we reviewed last week. Check it out if you're interested. Now, this is where I launched from. This will give you a realistic idea of distance you can fly. I'm flying the drone towards town, and right about the area you see here, I got a connection warning. I'm finding I can fly within about a mile in any direction. Now, keep in mind, this is in heavily wooded areas. It is possible you can fly further in more open areas. However, I really don't want to lose my drone. So folks, drones are brand new to me, and I don't have any connection with Drone. However, as a beginner, I find this drone easy to fly, good quality video and photos, and it has so far done everything we bought it for. I hope this answers some of your questions about this drone. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful. And, until next time, God bless.